Today I thought I would have a play with one of our teardrops in the pink, and I'm working with pink, white and red to create an inside piece for a sort of column wall that I have at home. So this will be part of my Christmas display. So what I'm going to be using is a couple of lollipops in the sort of medium size and the smaller size, some ribbons in, again, the pink, white and red, and a few sprays, and then maybe a flower. So we'll see how it works, and then we'll work out what to go. I've also brought a bauble in case I need that. So first of all, what I'm going to do is kind of create a bit of a spray. The layer is going to be sort of one lollipop here, one here. I thought I would have a spray coming out the top there, and maybe end up with a flower here and sort of a bow and flower here, and see what else I need to finish it off. So first of all, I just want to kind of create a little bit of a spray that I can use at the top. So I'm going to use this ball spray. I don't need the long stem, so just cut that off. As well, so that's going to spray up there. And then I thought I would just put two of these pink and red candy stripe picks. I don't need these long picks, so I'm going to cut them off. And rather than tying things in, I'm just going to work with the foliage and use that to help me position everything. So I'm going to lay the stem between two pieces of foliage here. Get all my balls out so they don't get squashed. You do need to make sure it's nice and tight so it holds where you want it to. And I'm just going to put one down a little bit lower as well. Here. Okay. And then the same with this. So I kind of want these to come out the side a bit here. So I'm going to bend them slightly so that they sit out the side at different heights. Again, just layer that in, and then I can position it once it's there. Always remember to give it a bit of dimension this way as well, so don't keep the whole thing flat. And down here, let's see how our spacing is going. So this stage I'm going to just have a little look. This is going to kind of come out the side of the bigger lollipop. So I don't want to lose it. I'm going to put the lollipop in on an angle. And then make sure that's nice and tight. And then also just use one of the pieces here just to wrap around it, just to sort of hold it on that angle that I'm looking for. And then I'm going to also put this one down at sort of that position there. So I'm going to use one over here. sort of wrap that around, and then another one at the seam to keep it nice and tight. I can see I'm going to want another one of those to come out this side to sort of finish it off there, so I can add that towards the end. Then I did bring the pink pick, but I don't think with the pink foliage I need that. So I'm going to have a look and see if I want to put a flower on here. So what I'm wondering is whether I'm going to put a flower here and then sort of a bow around here with the tails hanging down. So what I'm going to do next is actually create the bow, and then I can work out what I need as far as that flower goes. Let's put this back into shot. Oops. And see, if we put the bow there, bow there, and I'm going to actually get a couple more of these picks here and just spray them out the side there and down the bottom, and that'll be it. So using my wire, get this in. I always like to work across the middle seam, so I'm just finding the middle wire and putting this through both sides. Run some of the tails under as well, because then you can just twist the tails into position here, and again just flip that over to make a loop there. Just using this wire to hold it exactly where you want it to be. The advantage of tying everything in like I'm doing too means you can change this up next year and your piece is brand new. You won't have to replace anything because it's nothing's got glue on it. Flower, I think I'm just going to stick to a few more of these and I'll be done. I may add some little battery lights at the end of this as well when it's hanging. I'll see where I position it. So for this one, I want to get right up to the top, have it coming out. And I want to add one down the bottom. Again, I could cut this stem. I can even attach it at the back. So that's what I think I'm going to do, just attach it upside down. Let's get the position right here. And then I can simply use some of these to wrap over it. Now it's hanging upside down, so I do need to make sure it's quite secure. And two more. So my bow now needs to be refluffed. And when you work a flower into a piece like this, you do need to bend it up so it shows at the front. So I'm just going to work that into here and tie it in to place. Again, I'm going to tie it underneath. Rather than taking it or flattening everything again, I will just have a go at it this way. And that's all there is to it. I'll hang this on the wall, take a photo for you, but we have these available on our website, mychristmas.com.au. This is a 2021 product, but you can use the ideas any year, but there is a kit available if you're interested in making this up yourself. mychristmas.com.au. This is Nicole. Hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for watching me. See you soon. Bye.